In this tutorial, I'm going to go over replacing the default page graphics on your website. So once I'm in the page builder, I'm just going to scroll down here to my page intro section. You can see this default image here. I'm just going to click on that. Now if I hover over on the left, I can just click replace. Now I can either upload my own image or pick from the selection of stock images available. We have some auto detail, auto repair, paint and body. I'm just going to take one from the car shopping. I'm just going to scroll through and find one I like. This looks like a good one here. I'm just going to hover over the check mark and click on that and hit apply changes. Now you can see my new image. Don't forget to save. And publish to make your changes go live. And that's all for this tutorial.